Hey guys, today I'm here with some new products I've just received from Sunwayfoto. They were really nice to send me them, and they've given me the Sunwayfoto PCR-01. It's basically a cinematic cage that you can use for your smartphone. And here I have the BS-01, which is basically a suction cup. And you can put it on a wall, or I'm going to try it in the plane when I'm next there, and so on. And I've just received them today, so I only had a few hours to play with them, but until now I'm really liking how they are. So I'll just give you an example of how they function. Just put the suction cup down and literally you pump, and then it's locked. And obviously to remove, you just open this little part and it's done. So let's lock it back in again. And originally these two parts didn't come together. I asked for them separately when I requested them, but I thought they would be a good match. And yeah, you can unlock this here, and you have a small ball head. You can just lock that back in. And when I'm not using this as a cinematic cage, it's good for stability one, to get those cinematic shots, because holding your phone by your hand alone is not enough stability. So that is one option, and you can actually unscrew these parts, remove them and put them on any of the sides you want. And you have this little small bracket here. It also came with a few brackets, which I will be adding on some later on. And then with that bracket, I can basically lock in on a ball head and open the ball head, turn and so on, balance, and get those shots. If you want to do a time lapse or something, or earlier I put it in the car, which was great, and this stuck right on top, above the steering wheel, and then I was filming, so you could do a time lapse or go live or whatever you wish. You got a little switch here which you also open, and then you have the panning function, which is handy, a leveling plate which is here, you can see, and so on. I'm just going to take this off again. So the other great advantage is there are literally ports everywhere where you can screw in, lighting, maybe a small lava mic or whatever. And yeah, literally, I don't know what the limit is on the sizes of phones, but it's pretty. I'll just open it. We can see it just opens bigger and bigger, and you have a little latch here which also, so you can fit in even the Pro Max. Yeah, so this is a great bit of kit. Price is excellent, the finish is really well done, I really like it. Good job from Sunwayfoto. And moving back to the suction cup, see, it's tough. There we go, I got it off. So ideally what I wanted this for was, often I'm flying on the airplane and I'm trying to handheld shoot out of the window. Sometimes I'm holding my phone there doing the time lapse, which can be a serious pain, because you need to keep it there for a long time to get any decent footage if you want to watch the clouds rolling or so on. And now this should do the trick, as long as it's allowed on the plane, I think it is. And literally I will be able to, put that against the window or on the side, wherever it fits, and then, tilt the ball head and take my pictures or do my time lapses, and it will be steady. So it's also got some ports down here. I'm not sure what I would use that for, but still. And you have the little tool that screws in on here, and yeah, that's about it. Anyway, they're excellent products. I will be testing them out, much more, and you'll probably be seeing me use them in my stories and in the field. And yeah, just wanted to say thanks again from Sunwayfoto. And if any of you guys have any questions about the products, feel free to let me know. I'll be happy to answer any questions. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm wishing you all clear skies.